I moved it over. You just got to go up like an inch and I'll get it.
It's cold.
Pull that in. Yeah, it is really clean.
No, I said it's cold.
I know. It is cold too. He said it was clean.
It's cold and it's clean.
It's cold. Oh, okay. I think they should see what he makes.
I bought it like that. The only thing I did is I add the MSP. Yeah.
What a difference to this to the McLaren.
Yeah. You're not
Off
kidding.
the trailer, hooked up, dynoed in like 10 minutes.
Yep. American.
Big difference.
American muscle.
America.
Cam's not in this thing yet?
Yeah.
Seriously, dude, what the hell have you been
I'm
doing
doing all day. It's Friday. I mean,
Yeah,
he's
he stops working.
he's got stewing time with Eric coming Monday.
No. There ain't
So we
nothing
got
going on this weekend.
I guess some stewards.
You guys want to hear stories of me f***ing watching movies and chilling out?
Nah, that's boring.
I literally went through everything on the Manhattan. Like there's nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing ever good on the man.
I ended up watching All Eyes on Me. That's the Tupac story. That's pretty good.
Isn't that a series?
Huh?
The series?
Nah,
thing?
the series too. The series is
Okay.
really good.
I didn't watch
I saw the movie All Eyes on Me about 2 years.
I'm surprised you didn't buy that BMW he got shot in. It's for sale.
It sold for a bunch of
What was
money.
it, Black 7 Series or something?
Yeah,
Right?
745 or something.
Yeah.
Sold for like $1 million.
Definitely Suge Knight had something to do with all of it.
That's what they say.
You need to go to Duffer's.
Actually, I'm going to that main event place tonight.
Oh, yeah?
So it should be a...
Find some teeny boppers?
Yeah, actually, we watch a 17-year-old.
Dude, there's a bar there.
So it's a
So you
bowling
probably
alley.
gotta wear like a wristband or something saying you're 21.
Although, I do want to go play laser tag there. Yeah, Louis said he wants to come down and go to the place. We're going to play some laser tag, and I'm going to mess you up.
No, you're not.
Yeah, oh, we're going to put money on it.
Fran and I are probably Action
Okay, what kind of card?
Action Zone Legends.
Dude, I will mess you all up.
Okay.
So have you done anything since we've talked last?
I couldn't tell you the last time we talked.
Friday.
Yeah, and I couldn't tell you the last time
You were taking the water pump and off.
Yeah, I think so.
You took the heads off. And new cam in yet or no?
No, doing it now.
Okay.
Wheel pans off.
So that's where we're at. So now you're going to take the front cover off.
Yes.
Sweet.
Yes, I am.
See, these are the things you could do.
Could I?
You could. If you were nice.
Yeah. Not nice though.
No. You want to explain why these kind of suck as far as taking the front cover off versus the LS's?
I mean, mainly the oil pump.
just sticks down into the pan.
So you have to take the pan off.
Yeah, and there's dowels. I mean, it's just, there's dowels on this and the front cover and
And the gasket. Or lack of.
lack of, yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's not the end of the world, but suck. Does suck, you have to take the pan off.
Yeah. That's why most people think you have to take the engines out of these to do them.
A
But
lot of people do.
a lot of people do, I know. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to if you know what you're doing.
Wiggle it and jiggle it.
Wiggle it just a little bit.
Wiggle it and jiggle it just a little bit.
Oh, there she is.
And then she will eventually.
So what GM did on the C7s is they use this RTV gasket instead of a regular gasket, which is also a pain because
Very.
you gotta scrape all that off and then redo it when you put it back on, rather than just putting a new gasket on.
Yep. There's your front cover.
Oh, still so organized. Look at you. I do. So that's the gasket material you gotta scrape off. And then you gotta caulk it on when you put it back on. A little bit of an informational arc today, you know?
Yeah. Why don't you jiggle it? I gotta spin the motor over. Use this one pump on.
The red car going on the dyno, the black car going on the dyno, the gray car going on the dyno, and now I need the filler stuff.
Look out, I'm gonna come right over this fender and this wheel pan here. What a mess right here. The oil? Oh, it's disgusting.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, the oil is very disgusting in this car. Here it is. Usually they're painted.
Right there, top dead center.
Listen to him down there being loud. Take this bolt out so it'll fit out. Look at that.
Good job, Eric.
Eric.
Eric. I'm so proud of you.
What's the verdict?
Send it. 43.
Huh?
483.
Pretty good. Intake headers or what?
I don't know.
Sounds like definitely intake.
I don't know. Maybe you could get out of my way.
I don't really want to.
Yeah, okay. I knew it had an intake.
You can definitely hear it.
Were you done the red car already?
No.
Well, knowing you, I don't know. You probably like started that one, then you got bored, you want to start this one, you want to start them all at the same time.
Gives you more to look at.
No, I need like start finish.
Yeah. You got another head cam just showed up too?
Yeah, the red one just baseline.
Yeah, so red one and a black.
And then a blue one. Nice. Good work. So obviously the cam's in. New heads are on. Don't even start with me. Don't even start with me. It's only Monday, Tyler. It's only Monday.
Yeah. Yeah. Your point.
I don't need a week of Eric 2.0.
Sort of kind of looks like a motor again.
You mean an engine?
Yeah.
Everybody got mad when I called it a motor. Motors are like electric. Engine, motor, whatever. I made the references to France, so I'm like, so why do they call it Motor Trend? Huh? Should it be Engine Trend?
Motorama.
Motorama? Well, technically there are RC cars there, so that doesn't help your
No, but there's dirt bikes and
Yeah.
cars and everything else there.
Engine Rama. Engine Rama. The new block on Discovery, Motor Monday. Should it be Engine Monday? No.
There's like Motor Mega Week or something like
Yeah.
that on Discovery Channel.
Whatever. Some BTR hardened push rods. Oh God, some trick.
It'll be alright. Really? It's clean.
It was clean.
It was clean.
It was clean. More lube.
I'm almost out. Steve, you gotta come over here and stop. You gotta stop coming over here and taking my lube.
I use spit.
Oh, okay. This is how you get to the exciting stuff. Gotta make sure these are straight, because Mr. Critical over there will think that they're all messed up. Even
Well,
though
you
not.
straighten them once you tighten them down. It's not like.
Yeah, I do. But you still make a big deal about it. Every time.
I say it because you know someone's gonna be like,
Oh my god, they're not straight. I can't believe they put them on like that.
all right, well, you finish that, and I'm gonna go
You
see
can
what,
bug Eric.
see what he's got on the dyno. Nah, I don't really want to bug him right now.
You just want to bug me.
Yeah. I gotta go back and forth. Oh, look at that. Compressor's on. Perfect timing. Don't forget, torque him down 22 foot-pounds.
22 foot-pounds of torque, Tyler. Don't forget.
This thing needs a bath.
Yes.
So does your car.
So do I.
Yeah, you probably do, actually. You take baths? I can see you taking baths with like a...
Yeah, the cigar.
You
No, I
hate
fucking hate cigars.
So I know that.
No bath.
That's why I like them so much.
No bath. Just a normal adult shower.
Oh, it's boring.
You take baths
No.
with candles and bath bombs?
Yeah, I knew you were going to say that.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. I assume it was unplugged.
So heads cam, Namo MSD, VARAM, headers,
Our full package.
stage 3
That's it. With a clutch.
with everything.
Everything. I think the car was stock when it came here.
No, it had a...
Oh, it had an
Had a
air intake.
K&N.
It had Corsa air intake.
Oh, that's right. It was done low.
We took that off.
40 something.
Good. 3/4 of a pull.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't know what it means. 583 and 515. Pretty good torque for a stock intake manifold on the
Yeah.
first pull.
Talk to Otto about it too. Not bad.
If it picks up another 10, that'll be
Right there.
sick.
Yeah.
Maybe another 10 torque and 15 power.
Do it.
Be a solid setup. 600, 525.
Do it.
I'm gonna try.
Do it now.
It picked up 15 and 8. So it made 597 and 523.
Off the first real pull.
That's first full pull, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Stout little beast. How many miles are on this thing? 5,800.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, there you go.
This thing has no miles on it. Damn. It's on low mileage.
It's a guy from, I think, upstate New York, older guy, I think.
That might be one of the lowest I've seen.
C60s?
C60s, yeah.
Probably in a while.
Yeah. We got one in the shop that's 92,000 miles on it. So.
Oh yeah, 93. This is no 7 too, it's an earlier one.
Jesus. Man.
I think we'll make 600 and 526 this pull. 601 and 526.